Hi guys, I'm delighted to announce that I've partnered with Housebuild.co.uk. It's the fastest growing online construction platform that guides you throughout your building and renovation journey, regardless of the size. Housebuild.co.uk is fast becoming a must-have tool for professionals in the construction industry. With a professional subscription, you can promote your business to their thousands of users and increase your potential client base. Our site has an easy to use download center, which is invaluable, making it quick to find all certified construction drawings, building regulations, guidelines, as well as a cost calculator. For homeowners, Housebuild provides you with all the inspiration you need to kickstart any project. Search and hire local professionals on Housebuild's Find a Professional tool. For those looking for DIY inspiration, we have a continuously growing library of how-to videos. Then when you're ready to add the finishing touches, you can visit and shop via Housebuild's marketplace for the latest home furnishing trends, tools and materials. Hey, and if you're a product provider and you want to narrow down your advertising focus, Housebuild.co.uk is the answer that you've been looking for. Advertise directly to your target audience. Housebuild has thousands of homeowners and professionals using their platform monthly. So check out housebuild.co.uk for further details. And I'm certainly looking forward to telling you more about their great new features over the coming months.